Do you know that India is the diabetic capital of the world? It is estimated that by 2030 there could be 101 million people affected with diabetes. Did you also know that diabetes can be controlled and, with proper diet, can be reversed? When it comes to managing diabetes, one key factor is monitoring carbohydrate intake, particularly the types of carbs that can raise blood sugar levels quickly. The glycemic index or GI is helpful in understanding how different foods affect blood sugar levels. Foods with a high GI are rapidly absorbed, causing a faster increase in blood sugar levels, while those with a low GI are absorbed more slowly, causing a more gradual increase. Vegetables, in general, are considered to be healthy and nutrient-rich, but not all vegetables are created equal. Some contain higher levels of carbohydrates, sugars, and starches, which may not be the best choice for people with diabetes. My name is Parvati. I am a diabetic like you. Today, I will share my experience of how I have reversed my diabetes by changing my lifestyle and diet. So let's start. But first, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please like, subscribe, and select all from the bell. This helps other people like us who are struggling with diabetes to eat the right food. Thanks. Many times bitter experiences in our lives offer the most valuable lessons. It is the same as bitter vegetables, and herbs can offer immense positive value to our health. But we often tend to avoid these vegetables and herbs. Do you know that India is the diabetic capital of the world? Today we are going to be looking at a wonderful bitter vegetable that has been used in traditional and alternative medicine for the treatment of diabetes. You may have guessed it. Right, it is the bitter gourd, also known as bittermelon. In Hindi it is called Karela. This nutrient-dense plant is composed of a complex array of beneficial compounds. These include bioactive chemicals, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants which all contribute to its remarkable versatility in treating a wide range of illnesses. It has high amounts of vitamins A, C, and E, and also vitamins B1, B2, B3, B9. It is also rich in minerals, including potassium, calcium, zinc, magnesium, phosphorus, and iron, and is a very good source of dietary fiber. Bitter gourd is traditionally known for its medicinal properties ranging from being anti-diabetic, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral, and even has cholesterol-lowering effects. Many clinical studies show that the major compounds include turpentine, polypeptide P, and vaccine are found in bitter gourd are responsible for lowering blood sugar. The medicinal value of bitter gourd has been attributed to its high antioxidant content. This includes phenols, flavonoids, isoflavones, terpenes, anthraquinones, and glucosinolates. And as if that is not enough, bitter gourd can also help treat intestinal worms. Yes, bitter gourds are one of the best vegetables available to control diabetes. Make bitter gourds a part of your diet. You can cook them in so many different ways, like stuffing them, frying them, or even making juice. Enjoy and live a healthy and natural life.